Hello everyone. Today we will be solving ugly number 263 on Leetcode. An ugly number is positive number whose prime factors are limited to 2, 3, and 5. In given question, we have given one integer n and positive, and uh, we have to find whether the it is only dividing by 2, 3, or 5. If it is divided only by 2, 3, or 5, then we have to return true. If not, we have to return false. In given example, we have given 6. 6 is divided by 2 and then 3. So 6 has only two prime factor which are 2 and 3. Second example is 1. Uh, one has a no prime factor like 2, 3, and 5. So we have to also return true for 1. If our number is goes to 1 by dividing by 2, 3, or 5, then we have to return true. The next one is a 14. Suppose suppose we are dividing Suppose we are dividing 14 by 2, we get as 7. Then 7 is not our prime number. Uh, 7 is not our prime number, which is dividing by 2, 3, or 5. So we have to return false for this. This question is based on the math. So we have to find approach using maths. Now, here logic comes. Suppose we have given a number is equal to 0, then we have to return false. Uh, we take one array. In that, we initialize that array with 2, 3, and 5. In that, because we have to divide only with 2, 3, and 5, so we take our array element as 2, 3, and 5. Now we have to iterate this 2, 3, and 5. Now we have to find whether the number is completely divisible by 2, 3, and 5. So first we have to consider that our number is 6. Our number is a 6. Suppose this is a 6. Then we are starting our loop from 2. Suppose we are dividing this, we get 3 as an answer. Then our pointer goes to this 3. Then we are dividing 3 with 3. We get resultant as 1. And we mention a condition if n is equal to 1, then we have to simply return a true. Then another condition, if it is not divided by any of these three numbers, then we have to simply return a false without considering any other condition. Suppose there is a number which is greater than 6 or any other. Suppose our number is 8. Now consider we are dividing 8 by 2. Now we get resulted as 4. We are using a for loop. In for loop, we have mentioned a condition if n modulo AR of I is equal to 0. Now, if suppose we modulo this with 2, we get the answer as an 0. So our this condition will be true. Now, is this 4 will get divided by 2, then we get 2. So now our n is equal to 2. Now also we have to do same. Now our 2 will get modulo with 2. We get answer as an 0. Uh, then our this while loop condition will get again true. Now our n is equal to 2 divided by 2, we get answer as 1. So it will break from for loop. Then if and then it goes to this if condition, and our n is equal to 1. This condition will be true. Hence our answer will be true for number 8. This is like we are dividing same number with 2, 3, and 5 like uh, repeatedly until we get until we don't get our answer as 1. If we don't get our answer as 1, we have to simply return as false. For let us submit this. It is running. This submit.